Well, guys, we have come to the end of an era truly. It's been reported by E! News that the Los Angeles Lakers have signed Scottie Pippen Jr. and Shaq's son, Sharif O'Neal. So the proud dads were seen hugging their sons at the signing. But what's good is that they are not going to be on opposing teams. They are going to be on the same team, which is great. Maybe they can forge a friendship. So they're now signed to the LA Lakers. We will see in the coming future if they will bring back the glory days of the LA Lakers. So Sharif, who is 22 years old, is the son of Lakers icon Shaquille O'Neal, who played for the NBA from 1992 until 2010. Scottie Pippen Jr., who is 21 years old, is the son of six-time NBA champion Scottie Pippen, who played in the NBA from 1987 to 1999. Sharif is a 6'10" power forward who previously played at LSU. He struggled during his last season due to health issues and some injuries. Sharif also revealed that his father wanted him to stay in school because of his condition, but he was determined to play with the Lakers, so he pushed through and will start playing for the Lakers in the next month Summer League. Meanwhile, Scottie had played for Vanderbilt's Commodores for the past 3 years. He was initially undrafted in both rounds of the NBA draft, but eventually received a call from the Lakers. The two players expressed their excitement on Twitter after signing the deal. So Sharif also expressed his gratitude. He said, "Thank you for the opportunity," along with a throwback video of his young self wearing a Lakers jersey. So the LA Lakers are banking on solid genes after signing the sons of NBA former players Scottie Pippen and Shaquille O'Neal. Sharif O'Neal is being given the chance to play for the Lakers in the Summer League, while Scottie Pippen Jr. has been given a two-way contract, which means he will play in the G League for a large part of next season. It's essentially a reserve league, and he can be called up for the Lakers in the NBA when needed. This is according to the Daily Mail. O'Neal, who is 22, was a sought-after high school prospect and was considered a four-star recruit, which normally equated to a mid-first round pick in the draft. But his career never got off the ground at the college level because he needed heart surgery. He played for LSU and UCLA, total of 3 years between the two. O'Neal averaged just 2.6 points per game in his college career, in large part because of injuries. Last season at LSU, he played just 129 minutes, and as a result, his famous father, Shaq, urged him to stay in school. So he said he and his dad kind of butt heads about the process that he was taking. And he also said in a video news conference, he wanted me to stay in school and I wanted to better myself through all of this. He also said his dad knows he's working out with teams, but he said, "I'm not going to lie. We didn't talk about this. I'm kind of just going through it." And he didn't do any pre-draft workouts. He just got straight on the Orlando Magic, so it's a different grind. O'Neal is 6'8" and his father is 7 feet. So he's very tall. He's very close to his father's height. Scottie Pippen Jr. is 6'2". He did not command a lot of attention during the draft due to his smaller stature, but he has proven that he can play the game. At a college level, he put up 20.4 points a game last year in college, with 1.9 steals and 4.5 assists. Both Sharif as well as Scottie Jr. have huge boots to fill, with both their dads being former superstars in the game. So guys, drop your comments. I'm over and out. I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.